Hi everyone. In this session we are going to discuss about storage and compression facilities. In this, first we'll see compress command. Compress command compresses a file and returns the original file with Z extension. To uncompress this file name, capital Z file uses uncompress file name command. The syntax for compress command is compress options files. The common options are bn, c, f, v. Bn limits the number of bits encoding to n. C option write to standard output, do not change files. F option compresses conditionally, do not prompt before overwriting files. V option prints the resulting percentage of reduction of files. Uncompress command. The uncompress command file uncompresses a file and returns to its original form. The syntax for uncompressed file is uncompress filename.z. This uncompresses the compressed file to its original name. The common options for the uncompressed command are C. C option is to write a standard output without changing the file. CPIO command. CPIO command is useful to back up the file system. It copy file achieves in from or out to tape or disk or to another location and the local machine. The syntax for the CPIO command is CPIO flag options. It has three flags. One is LOP. CPIO L option. It is CPIO I copy in files who names map selected patterns. If no pattern is used, all files are copied in. It is used to write to a tape. CPIO copy out a list of files whose names are given on standard output. CPIO-P option copy files to another directory on the same system. The other options are A, small a, it resets access time of input file. Capital A, append files to an archive. Small b, swaps bytes and half words. Words are 4 bytes. Capital B, block input or output using 5120 bytes per record. Small c, record or write header information has ASCII character. Small d, creates directories as needed. L, links files instead of copying. O, file direct outputs to the a file, and OR option is for rename file inactively. Capital R option ID reassigns file ownership and group information to the user's login ID. Capital V prints a dot for each file read and written. S, swap bytes. Capital is for swap half bytes. V is for print list of file names. Dump command. Dump command copies all the files in file system that have been changed after a certain date. It is good for incremental backups. This information about data is given from. Some of the common options are 0 to 9. This number is a dump level. 0 option causes entire file system to be dumped. B, blocking factor taken into argument. D, density of tape default value is 1600. F place the dump on next argument file instead of tape. This example causes the entire file system to be dumped and specifies that the density of the tape is 6250 ppi. Pack command. Pack command compacts each file and combines them together into a file name .z file. The original file is replaced. Pcat and unpack will restore packed files to their original form. The syntax for the pack command is pack option files. Next, the common options for the pack commands are print number of times each byte is used, relative frequency and bytecode. F option is for force the pack even when the disk space is not saved. To display packed files in a file, use pcat command. Pcat command is used to display the packed files in the file. Pcat filename.z. To unpack a packed file, use unpack command has unpack filename.z. tar command. Tar command creates an archive of files into a single file. Tar copies and restore files to a tape or any storage medium. The syntax for the tar command is tar options file. For example, so this tar cfi dv rmt0 bin user bin, this creates an archive of bin and user bin and store on the tape device remote 0. That is, tar will list the tape's contents in the particular storage drive and it backups. .tar will create an archive of current directory and store it in the file backup. The functions of tar commands are for C creates a new tape, R rebind files to a tape, T print the names of files if they are stored on the tape, X extract files from tape. These are the functions and some of the common options are B and use blocking factor of n, L prints error message about links not found, capital N follows symbolic links, V prints function letters, X for extraction or A for archive and name of files. This is about this session. In this session we discussed about the storage and compression facilities. The first one is compress command and uncompress command. What are the syntax of the compress command and what is the syntax of the uncompress command. CPIO command and its syntax and options and its flags and some of the options of the CPIO command. Dump command, what is a dump command and what is the syntax of the dump command. The common options of the dump command. Pack command that is packs each files and combines them together in a file name. The syntax of the pack command. The common options of the pack command, few common options of the pack command. Next, tar command and its syntax and some example how it is going to store in the restore files to the storage media, how to do that is tar command. And the functions of the tar command and the common options of the tar command. This is about this session. Thank you.